Hello, conscious healers. Welcome to the final webinar of 3 days course Zero Stress Blueprint, which I very popularly call as ZSB. This is my sincere efforts for you to give you some scientific tools and techniques to combat stress. And I'm really very grateful for you to be an active participant of this 3 days course. And I truly believe that you have received some value, some insight, some techniques and some confidence to handle your stress issues on the daily basis. This final webinar is all about you guys. It will not be about me. I want you to share your experiences, your breakthroughs, and your aha moments. So if you're excited as much as I am, just type in the chat box. Yes, I am excited. YIAE. Just type YIAE so that I know that you are equally excited than I am. Great. So coming back to this webinar, let me formally introduce myself to you once again, though we have already been in touch since last 3 days. But just to set the rhythm of this webinar, hey guys, I'm Pallavi. I'm a mindset coach and I help people to live the life of more abundance, inner joy, and mental peace. And this is, as I've said before, it's my sincere effort for all of you to provide you the scientific tool and techniques to curb the stress. So before I start the one-to-one interaction today, I have prepared a small presentation. So I'm going to share my screen right away and we'll begin with that. So here it is, Zero Stress Blueprint, ZSB. Okay. And the tagline which I've given here is because everything starts from within. And that is actually true. The more we project our problems, our reasons, our causes onto others, the more we will be trapped in this problem circuit. So if you want to break that circuit, if you want to break that trap, you have to actually look within, and there only you can find the solution of all of your problems. So that's why I've chosen this tagline, and I hope you relate to it. I hope you resonate and you also believe, at least now after that this 3 days course, that yes, everything starts from within, and whatever solution or breakthroughs you want in your life, it is you which have to do something on your own instead of expecting somebody to come and do some magic, right? That's awesome. I'm so happy to see all of your comments here, and you're happy to I am happy actually to serve you here. As I've said, today's webinar will be all about you. It will be all about your experience of this ZSB, this 3 days. It will not be about me. As soon as I end this presentation, I will switch on to you guys and I will request you to come up and share your experience with me. So, introduction format, and why now I want you to disclose your introduction. As you have noticed, I have made this broadcast group instead of a personal private WhatsApp group, because I wanted you to be as open, as confident, as honest with me and with yourself during this 3 days course. I wanted you to expose your vulnerability within you, towards you, and with me as well. That's why I kept it broadcast message, this broadcast settings, and I'm so happy that you did it. You actually did it. But now it's the time to share your pain, to share what you have achieved, to be more confident, because here everybody amongst us either have been gone through this stage like me, that's why I'm a mindset coach now, or you who are still dwelling with these kind of triggers, with these kind of stress, anxiety issues, but one day we'll get out of it. So we all technically are sailing in the same boat. So what I want you to type in the chat box right now is your name, your profession, either you're a central government employee, private job, or a student, a business person, a creator, a homemaker, a teacher, whatever your profession is. I want you to type name, your profession, and your stress score of day one, which you have got after that questionnaire which you have filled in. your scientifically or statistically generated your stress score, and on the basis of that stress score, what the goal card you have created, the beautiful goal cards which I have received personally on the day one settings. I want you to share your goal once again here to all of us. So, your name, your profession, your stress score, and your goal. I'm waiting to receive your responses, and then we will move further to the next slide. That's awesome. This is the best part why you always want to have a helping community, because that way you can see that it's not only you who is suffering. Every one of us has one or other issue which we are dealing with. So coming back to this ZSP, the purpose of mine, or the purpose of creating this ZSP, to spread the mental health awareness. As I've said before, I am very dedicated to spread the mental health awareness, because I know, and we all know by now, that mental health is our last priority. When our mind actually starts giving us the deadlines, the warning signs, the red flags, then we start taking care of it. But it should be actually otherwise. We should start taking care of it much before the mind asks us to do so. So that's my purpose here, to spread the mental health awareness and make you capable of combating your daily life issues related to mental health space with ease and comforts. Through I generally do it through the courses which I've created, through my YouTube vlogging. I have a YouTube channel by the name with the name Simply Pallavi, through my Instagram feeds and reels, through my Facebook community, through my online and offline presence. I sincerely try my best to spread the mental health awareness and to provide you the easy to adapt tools and techniques which you can use by yourself without any much guidance from somebody. So that is my real purpose, and I hope you have resonated with it. If yes, if you felt that I genuinely helped you guys during this ZSP, please do type in the chat box, yes, I do. YID, that you did feel that yes, my sincere efforts have been connected to you. Great. Okay. So coming back to ZSB, the day one, what we all have learned in day one, we have learned about the stress, what is actually the stress and how it actually affects us physically, mentally, and emotionally. Then we did an exercise of evaluating our current stress score. You all have shared your stress score. Few were really higher than the moderate range. That means that you really have to take care of your mental health at the immediate basis, maybe with someone, maybe you have to talk to some professionals, or you have to really take care of it on the urgency basis. And then on the basis of that, we have created some beautiful goal cards, and I'm so happy to see all of your creativities and your zeal, your motivation to come out of it. Please do keep this goal, and please do make sincere efforts for the next 30 days at least to achieve that goal, and that too without any fail. The day two, I have revealed my secret number one. That was the NLP exercise, the neuro linguistic programming exercise. By the way, I am a master practitioner of NLP and an EFT master practitioner as well, which I forgot to tell you in my introduction part, but I am. And that's why this course was completely designed on the basis of NLP modalities, so that you get the scientific results as well, on which you can believe onto it and on which you can get the instant results. So we did a very emotionally challenging NLP exercise, which let you ask questions to your subconscious mind, which let you interrogate your subconscious mind, and obviously which was very, very emotionally drilling, grilling, and challenging. So on the same day itself, I have given you a small token of gift, a relaxation meditation, a surprise from my side to eases your stress level, eases your anxiety. because whenever we got stuck in some stressful situations, our body, our mind gets a lot of toll, and that is actually important. That is the moment when we actually should, pamper our mind and body. So keeping in mind that, I have given you that relaxation meditation video, and I hope that has really helped you. Right? I hope you have watched it. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. So now comes to day three. Day three, I have revealed the two secrets which I was talking about since before this ZSPS started. The first one was the gratitude exercise. This is one beautiful exercise and my favorite exercise, which instantly lets you feel that how lucky and loved you are and how beautiful your life is in spite of so many struggles and the worries and the tensions you have. And I really hope that you have done this exercise so by now before this webinar, and you have felt the same. The third one, the third secret was another NLP exercise, that was quantum linguistic exercise, which was a handy tool of for you whenever you are confused, whenever you are struggled, whenever you are puzzled. Just open your notebook, take a pen, and just start doing this exercise. This will instantly give you a clarity in your puzzled situation. Yes? Great. So now you tell me in the chat box that which day was your aha moment? Which day you felt most connected? Was it a day one when you got your stress score and that was an awakening moment, an alarming moment? Or it was a day two when you yourself didn't know that your subconscious mind or your soul or your mind was so much burdened with? Or the day three, this beautiful gratitude exercise or quantum linguistic exercise? Just type in the chat box day one, day two, or day three. That's it. That's superb. Superb. Everybody has their different journey, different perceptions, different outlook. So that would be fine. There will be no day one, day two, or day three, the best days. All are my own kids. So any day, whatever you feel like is the best for you. And now here we are at the final webinar for discussions and the evaluations of this 3 days journey of yours. And now coming to the bonus part, the most exciting part after this 3 days. The first, I'm offering you this 30-minute stress clarity session in which whatever status you have received so far, we're gonna drill it more scientifically and with some counseling and NLP approaches so that we get more clarity about your stress concerns and we can plan strategically what actually you have to do within this 30 days and after this 30 days also. Another one was a conscious healing session. This is my USP and my favorite thing which I love to do because it instantly helps you to remove your negative emotional blockages through the energy level. Since I'm a certified energy healer as well, so this is I have created with the amalgamation of two modalities, two very famous energy modalities, and with the experiences of mine and with some promising feedbacks I've received from my clients, I have developed this technique, and you're gonna be benefited at the very first session that I'm sure about. And the third one is an ebook which I have designed specially for you. It's the power of affirmations, some 50 exclusively chosen positive affirmations which I do believe in on a daily basis. I do practice them on a daily basis. I have jotted down in one book for you. What you have to do, you have to pick in the starting your five, six, whatever you resonate with the most, and just practice them daily. It will really elevate your vibrations, your positive vibrations, and your goal will be achieved even sooner than what you have planned. And before I end this presentation and hop on to your experiences, Albert Einstein has once said, "No problem can be solved from the same level of consciousness that created it." And that's absolutely true. If with the same perceptions, with the same mindset, with the same outlook, you are finding the solutions, you will never get a solution. You really have to come from A to B, Y to Z to find the solution of your problem. From the same perspective, you will only multiply the problems instead of finding any single solution. And at the end, thank you once again for being a part of ZSP, for making it so, what should I say? So successful, because see, I can provide you n number of techniques, n number of videos, motivational videos, but it's actually you who has to do it on yourself. So I'm so happy to see your high activity during this 3 days course, and the way you have actually, you were working on yourself, that really made me more grateful to you. And I will be here for you from today, for tomorrow, and whenever you need me. But do not stop the practices what I have told you to do, at least for next 30 days, without a fail. That is the only requirement or my only request to you guys. So I'm going to close this screen share, and I'm back again. And now it's time to know from you that what exactly you have felt. So who wants to come first on live with me, either with audio on, with video on, or without video? All up to you. I will not force you, but you can join me, and let's get to know each other more, and let's find out more solutions of your stress issues. Come on up.
Hi, Pallavi.
Hi, Deepika. Thank you for joining in. I'm really very grateful to you, and
Can you hear me?
I hope this ZSB has worked for you. Over to you now. Hi, Deepika.
Yeah, Pallavi. So it was a 3 days course. Hello.
Yes, yes, Deepika. I think there's a lot of network issue. Yes.
Okay. Is it clear now?
Yes. I think the volume is too low, but you carry on.
Okay. Wait a minute. Is it better now?
Yes, yes, much better.
Should I continue?
Yes, please, Deepika.
Okay. So the thing is, okay. So it was a 3 days course, and first of all, thank you so much for offering this course, because I was really under stress for the past, I guess, 6 to 7 months, because of, as you know, because we are going through this pandemic situation right now. All of us are working from home, so there are personal as well as professional issues, because of which many of us are under stress nowadays.
Absolutely.
Right. So, okay. And now when I talk about the course, so yeah, honestly speaking, I attended first 2 days very diligently, but today's session I couldn't do it because of my, professional, and as you know, my exams are going on. So because of that, I couldn't do this today's session. So, but yeah, for yesterday and day before yesterday, both days, first of all, I was able to know that I'm actually under stress. I could make out, but I was not sure about it. Okay. So day one, when I went through all those points, and I came to know I am actually under a lot of stress. Then I prepared the goal sheet and West, and that meditation exercise was really great. It was really, very calming, very relaxing. And today's session I'll be doing, so then only I'll be able to, share my experience on that. And I will definitely going to block your time for half an hour soon
That's good. I would
to
love to
discuss
help
on
you in
one-on-one.
any ways, whatever best I can do, and do the day three video, the task itself by today itself. Because no, if you fail to do in between, your mind knows now it gets a break. So it's just like a habit formation for your
Yeah.
mind also. Your mind should know now that you are coming out of your stress and you will no longer be having into the same comfort zone in which you are in by now. So whenever you get time, either before sleep or
Correct.
while
Right.
cooking or even in the washroom, if you get some time, just introspect yourself and finish the task today itself. Yeah.
Definitely.
Hello.
Yeah. Definitely I will. Thank you. Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes. I can hear you now. I can hear you. Thank you so much, Deepika. It is really my pleasure that if this ZSB has given you even the slightest of awareness or the insight, be it the stress score or be it any handy technique which you can
Okay.
use on yourself, I'm really, really very grateful and feeling lucky. Actually, I can be a source of any help to you. Do you want to say something else? Hello? Hello?
No, that's it for now.
Thank you, Deepika. Thank you so much for being a part. And do finish the exercises by today itself.
Maybe I will first complete the third day session, and then sure, I will definitely.
Yes, yes. I'm already available for all of you people whenever you want to have any discussion or having any confusion during the video or during the exercise. You can ping me and we can work on it together as well. That is my assurance to you guys. By the way, just type in the chat box if you have done the day three or not. If not, then please do it. Because whosoever complains that they don't have time to talk to their family members, it is only an excuse. Nothing in this world can occupy your time if you are not willing to give your time to them. Trust me. Trust me. Day three is only meant for you guys who is so busy in their lives, who do not have that time to express their love to the people whom they really love. Okay. So do day three and let me know too if that actually helps you or not, because I'm 210% sure day three exercise will make you feel how loved you are in this world and you're not at all alone. Okay. So great. So with this, let me end this webinar. I'm going to send the link of the bonuses today with in the broadcast message once again. Claim the bonuses, do register yourself, give me your feedback, a detailed feedback, which I can actually market to my other people also, if you would allow me. And all the best, guys. I'm available for you for the entire time whenever you want me to be of your assistance. And I really hope by the next 30 days, you will be out of your stress. I am designing the another course that is inner child engineering course, but I'm not going to reveal it now until you complete your 30 days goal. I will not leave you guys till the time you are over this 30 days. You have actually achieved your goal of 30 days. For all my people out here who has not joined here also, it's for them too. So do it religiously for the next 30 days, and I'm sure you will find a new you. Right? So shall I end the webinar? Any final words you would like to say here on the chat box? Otherwise, I'll just end this webinar and we'll share the link of the bonuses. Great. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for being a part. And I really hope once again that the ZSB has helped you in some or other way. And I'm really looking forward to help you even more. God bless you guys. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye bye.